So what's up guys, I am Ariovit, and in this tutorial I will show you how to find new servers in Discord. Okay, there are two methods how to find. I will show you first, but first you leave like and subscribe, my friends, and share to others. I have hope that I help you. Okay, it is first method. It is page top WGG servers. You have also link in the description. Here you have million bots and servers, and you have here to gaming, social, many fun, anime, Minecraft, and you may also write, for example, Fortnite. And here you have many Discords, servers. Generate your accounts. Members. Tera Discord. Okay. And that looks, and it is first method, and second method is this. You must log in on your account Discord, and here is directly on this on the Discord. Okay, you must click here, explore public servers. You have add the server, your servers, develop the purpose, and this explore public servers. And here you may write what you need. You have also discover, gaming. Here you have popular communities, music, education, science, and many others. It is as second methods. Okay, as you can see, it is methods, and that's working. So you leave like and subscribe. I have hope that I help you. Write a comment, share to others. Bye bye, goodbye, and see you in other tutorials. Bye, thanks.